birthday. Thank you for everything you've done for me. There's so much that I wish to say, so much to thank you for. Words cannot describe what you mean to me. Dear Mom, I wish you a blessed birthday. You've given me more than I deserve. From the day I was born till who I am today, you have loved me every single day, in every way. Thank you for all your stories, for wiping all my tears, for forgiving all my faults and putting away my fears. Thank you for this life and all your sacrifice. Thank you for loving me with all your heart. Dear Mom, nothing can repay all you've done for me in every single day. I want you to know I appreciate it all. Happy birthday to the greatest person of all.
Hello Ate Betty, happy birthday! 50 years old ka na pala. Pero, tanda mo Ate Betty na ang edad ay numero lamang. Kaya enjoy life lang. And gawin mo lahat ng mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Wish ko lang sa'yo ate na umaga pa yung buhay mo. Yun lang ate, ingat lagi and I love you.
After day, magkakang more birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Betty. Enjoy your special day today. Wishing you good health always. And more birthdays to come. I love you, Ate Betty.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you.
Happy birthday, Te. More birthday to come. Ingat palagi sa iyong trabaho. Love you. Mwah.
Hello tita, happy 50th birthday po. Wish ko sa inyo lagi kayong healthy at ingatan po ni Lord, lalo pagka nasa ibang bansa po kayo nagtatrabaho. Yun lang po tita, more blessings and happy birthday po ulit tita and God bless. I love you tita, bye bye.
Happy birthday Tita Pet. Naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng mahabang buhay, kalusugan at kasiyahan. Salamat sa pagmamahal at paggabay mo sa amin. Mahal ka namin, Tita Pet.
Happy birthday, Manang Titi. More to come.
Happy birthday, Tita Betty. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Betty. Stay pretty and healthy. We love you.
Happy birthday, my dear beloved Sister Petra. Hope and pray that this 50th birthday that you are celebrating ay patuloy na mararanasan mo ang fullness of joy, fullness of peace, and the abundance of blessing that God has bestowed upon you. Alam ko na marami kang desire sa buhay, but I do believe and I'm praying that God will give you long and satisfied life. Alam ko na wala ka nang hahanapin pa, kundi maranasan mo ang favor ng Lord at maging ang favor ng tao. At higit sa lahat, do your best in serving the Lord. God bless you, my dear beloved sister. To you, I hope and pray na alam ko walang sukat na kalalagyan ang iyong pong blessings na binibigay ni Lord sa iyo. And enjoy lang, kapatid, until the Lord's coming. God bless. I love you.
Hi, Ninang Petty! A blessed 50th birthday po sa inyo. Una po sa lahat, I just want to thank God dahil narating niyo po ang 50th birthday na ito nang may mga ngiti sa labi, nang may galak sa inyo pong puso. So, gusto ko lang pong sabihin na thank you po dahil naging pangalawang magulang po kita. Salamat sa pagiging inspirasyon ko po at salamat sa pagmamahal at payo na binibigay niyo po, na pinapaalala niyo po sa akin na mas deeper pa po yung relasyon ko with the Lord, na magpatuloy sa Lord na ibigay ang the best para sa Kanya. So, masasabi ko lang po is, enjoy nyo po ang araw pong ito at nawa po lahat ng mga desire nyo po sa puso nyo is mapapakinggan ng Lord. Patuloy ka lamang po sa pagsaserve kay Lord tulad po ng sinasabi nyo po sa akin, at ngayong araw po deserve mo pong maramdaman ang pagmamahal, kung gaano ka rin po ka-special, hindi lamang sa araw na ito, kundi araw-araw po. Nawa yung kaarawan mo po is maging masaya, may mga mas maraming blessing na matatanggap niyo po. So, yun lamang po. Enjoy your day, Ninang, and more birthday to come and more candles to blow. So, yun po. God bless you and I love you so much po. Bye-bye!
Good afternoon, sis. Happy birthday! May God grant you long and satisfied life. Salamat sa buhay mo. Alam ko, God will continuously use you mightily at maging kalakasan ka sa iyong pamilya, kalakasan ka ng iyong mga anak. Ikaw ay biyaya ng Diyos sa kanila. At alam ko, anuman yung panalangin mo, whatever the secret petitions of your heart, I just pray that God will grant them all. Thanks a lot for being a very loving and supportive mother sa inyong mga anak. Salamat din sa pagsuporta mo sa church at salamat din sa pangunawa mo sa inyong mga anak, pangunawa mo sa mga kapatiran. May God grant all the desires of your heart. And in the name of your Son Jesus, bless you with long, satisfied life. Sabi nga ng Lord sa 3 John 2, it is above all things that thou shalt prosper, be in good health, as thy soul prosper. To God be all the glory. Again, happiest birthday, Sis Betty.
Hello, Ate Pet! Happy birthday. I wish all the best for you. More birthday to come. Good health. Stay maganda palagi. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sisi! Blessed happy birthday! Marami pa sanang blessings mula kay God ang ipagkaloob sa iyo. You deserve it. At huwag mo pababayaan ang sarili mo. Tuloy lang sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap at paghandaan ng ating retirement. More birthday to come, more cakes to blow and candles. Enjoy your day, Sisi. We love you. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Sisi. Good morning. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your special day with your family. God bless you always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Sandra. Happy birthday. Wish you good health lagi. Enjoy your birthday. See you soon. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hello, Ate Pat! Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Teka, 50 ka na ba? Hindi naman. Parang nasa 25 lang, hindi ba? Hindi naman mukhang 50. Anyway, Ate, Gusto kong simulan tong birthday video greetings na to ng pasasalamat. Maraming salamat ate for being an ate to me since day one of my Hong Kong life up to this day. And I just want to thank you for imparting so many things in my life. Being a sister, being a friend, you're really wonderful ate, and I thank the Lord for your life. You mean so much to me, and I appreciate you every day. I appreciate all of the good things, even the bad things. I appreciate you every day, ate. You're always in my prayers, and I hope that today you may have a day of abundance, blessings with your family. I know how happy your heart is today. And you deserve all the love. You deserve all the blessings in the world. I love you, Ate Pet, and see you soon. I love you. Happy birthday sa'yo!
Hi, ate. Ay, wait lang. Hindi maganda yung lipstick ko. Kailangan natin mag-wear ng red lipstick para maganda tayo sa camera. Lang ate. May sasabihin ako mamaya sa'yo. May chichismis pala ako sa'yo. Lilipstick muna ako. Ayan. Ayan. Bongga na die. Bongga na die. Bongga na die. May chichika ako sa'yo. Actually, may chichismis ako sa'yo. Hindi ko nga sure kung totoo eh. Pero sa tingin mo, may balita kasi ako na 50 years old ka na daw. Totoo ba? Parang hindi naman ako naniniwala noon. Parang mukhang 40 ka lang. Totoo ba? 50? Yung totoo. Parang hindi ako naniniwala talaga. But anyway, kung totoo man yun, wala akong ibang masabi at comment kundi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Petra. Happy birthday to you. Yes. So, break time ko ngayon. So, kaya nakapag video call. And all I wanted to say is thank you so much for the friendship na sana hindi magbago. I know hindi man tayo magkasama, hindi man tayo madalas magkita. I know for sure na lagi mo ako na ipagtatanggol sa mga backlash sa mga ibang tao kung meron man. And thank you for doing that for me. And thank you sa friendship. Wala akong ibang masasabi kundi sana yung friendship na to is magpatuloy, hindi magbago. Na-miss na kita sobra. Na-miss ko na yung bonding natin every weekend, every long weekend, pagpasyal-pasyal mo sa bahay, pagkikita natin sa labas. Ang daming events na every now and then, nababalik-balikan ko. Kayo ni Ate LV, miss ko na, sobra. Yun nga. I don't wanna cry. I just want to say thank you and happy birthday, happy golden birthday. You deserve this beautiful celebration na inaalay sa'yo ng mga anak mo and yung family mo. You deserve this. I love you, Tay. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Hello, Ate Pet. Ano ba? Bumabata, nag-blooming ka. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. Malaking blessing ka sa akin. Kahit na marami tayong pinagdaanan, alam ko na deep in our heart, parte tayo ng buhay ng bawat isa sa atin. Lalong-lalo na sa akin, sa spiritual. Maraming salamat. It's a life-changing na dumating ka talaga sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat. All the correction. At minsan kinukonsinti mo ako. So maraming salamat. Kahit na hindi mo plano na dalhin ako sa GI at that time, pero wala kang choice, kundi isama ako dahil hindi mo ako kayang iwan sa Central. So napakabuti mong tao. syempre pagka nasa rough road ka, hindi maiiwasan na maraming pagdadaanan. Kaya it's a part of maturity. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. At I pray that you have a very, very long and satisfied life and more, na lalong-lalo na sa achievements mo, achievements ng mag-ina, at maraming binigay sa iyo ng Lord na blessing, maraming problema, pero lahat nun ang katapat nun ay blessing, di po ba? So maraming salamat at patuloy na pinapanalangin kita sa lahat ng iyong heart desire, anuman yung inaasam ng puso mo pa na ma-achieve. Let God do the victory. Alam ko na ibibigay niya kung naka-align sa kanyang plano. Maraming salamat sa iyong buhay. Sobrang napakalaking bagay para sa akin na nakilala kita. Maraming salamat, and I really miss you. So, hindi man tayo nagkakausap, pero alam ko na kung magkikita tayo, parang walang taon na lumipas sa atin. Parang nagkita lang tayo kahapon. So, sana darating yung araw na magkikita tayo. Kung hindi man dito sa lupa, gagawin natin yun sa langit. And we need to assure that na magkikita tayo sa langit. Maraming salamat, lalong-lalo na sa anak mo na nag-message, na humihingi ng video, and I really appreciate at na-touch ako kasi batang-bata pa siya noon, pero naalala niya ako na isa ako sa kaibigan mo, and it's really touched my heart. So thank you, Jefferson and Peterson. Thank you, and more blessing at more anointed talent ang ibibigay ng Lord sa'yo, at makikita ang paggamit sa'yo ng buong mundo. Hindi lang sa lugar nyo, kundi buong mundo. At makikita kung paano ka gagamitin ng Diyos. Maraming salamat. Continue to love your mother, dahil alam ko na yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo is unconditional. Katulad ng pagmamahal ng Lord sa kanya na unconditional, ganun din ang binibigay niya sa'yo. Maraming salamat for considering me as a friend. So, of your mother, pero sa akin 100% she's my mom in spiritual. So siya talaga yung dahilan bakit ko nakilala ng totoo ang Diyos. Maraming salamat. Once again, happy birthday. A blessed and tremendous blessing ang darating sa iyo. Maraming salamat. God bless.
Hi! Happy 50th birthday to my dear friend Petra. Today is your golden birthday. May the Almighty God will bless you with abundant joy on your birthday and always, and continue to serve God. Jeremiah 29:11, it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future." Enjoy your day. I miss you, friend. Happy 50th birthday. Yay! Golden ka na dyan. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Petra. I am Leo. Happy birthday, Auntie Petra.
Hello, sis. Happy 50th birthday. Abo, makalis ang gawin. 15 balat pa nin. Kapag 35 mo laman. Naks. Thanks for everything going. Thanks for being you. Saludo talaga ako sa iyo. Sa family, gagawin mo ang lahat. Never give up. I wish you forever happiness as you deserve. And I pray to God that He will bless you and your family. Long life, good health, and success in life. Namistakan, marinak na nga yung message. Message na tayo. Again, happy birthday! Enjoy your day, sis!
Good morning!
Happy 50th birthday. Tingnan mo, camera siya yung kumare, pero ito pipilitin ko para lang sa nag-iisang kumare ko. Virtual cheers muna tayo today since hindi tayo magkikita sa birthday mo. But I wish you all the best. Alam mo na yun. Sana maging healthy ka lang lagi and stay young. Wish you all the best. Again, happy 50th birthday. More blessings sa'yo, Mare, and stay with you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candle on your popsicle. Also, Rara's popsicle, okay? Hello, Tita. This is made of a talking. I miss you so much, and I wish you were around to take care of us here since we Huggy.
Roro, what would you like to say to Tita? Okay, Roro, I'm sure is saying, Roro. No, but can you translate, Roro?
So he's trying to say, I love you, Tita, right?
I think that's right.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for supporting our family. Thank you for all your
Yes,
hard
he's trying
work.
to say, I love you, Tita. I love you, Tita. Thank you for all your hard work.
Thank you.
Thank you for all your hard work for me.
Thank you for your hard work and for your love. And for your delicious cooking. And for your caring. And being such a responsible childcare provider. Thank you so much.
Huggy, huggy, huggy. Popsicle kiss. Hug.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy mama.
Hello Petra, happy birthday, happy 50th to you. I did want to rally and get the kids to do a video for you as well, but one's at a club and the other one's at a friend, and I'm running out of time. I thought I was going to get this to you much quicker. Just wanted to say I hope you have a wonderful 50th year, because you're a wonderful human who deserves the very best from life. We all very much talk about you still, most weeks, and reminisce about you and Hong Kong times. I hope you're happy and healthy. You deserve nothing less. So a huge hug and much love from the UK and us Hodgsons. We all miss you, all love you very much. Take care, have a great birthday.